Hey, Fearless Investor community, Kyle Stanley here, and I need to ask you, did you go to the STR Wealth Conference this last year? If you didn't, shame on you, but you have another chance to do it here in 2023, and I want to give you just my perspective on this event from last year. It was awesome. From the time that I got there, just seeing the venue and just the energy in the room was super exciting. In fact, for me, like just the connections, that was the biggest thing. And I went in there as a speaker, but anytime you go to one of these events, even us speakers, we're looking for connections. We're looking for people that we can help, but also that we can collaborate with. And so that's the biggest reason that you go to one of these events. And I've been to a lot of short term rental and just even overall business events. And not to knock any of those, they're all great, but this one is the best I've ever been to with the energy, the speakers, the connections, and just the organization of the event with it being there in Nashville this last year. It was just so much fun. And I can tell you, here's the big things that you're going to get out of it. One, go in there with the mindset of getting connections and meeting good people. Then there's going to be amazing speakers, not only that you're going to be able to hear from on stage, but this is one of the coolest things about this event. Most of the times, those speakers on stage, that's where you see them and it's left there. The speakers at this event are going to be in the crowd and you can talk to them. I must have had, man, I don't, my wife was there with me last year and she was probably rolling her eyes because every time someone left, someone new was coming and talking to me. So you get access to people like me and Mike Shogren, Bill Faith, Mark Simpson, TJ Tajani, Julie George, Rachel Gainsborough, Noble Crawford, plus all of the great vendors that are there too with an amazing product that they're showcasing for your business. And so again, just the relationships number one, the access to the speakers number two, and then to me the energy, the fun, and the value is where the rest of it came out. So bring your notepad and bring your just everything that you can to get the most out of this event. What I'm going to say is get your tickets now. Do not wait. Do not wait. You need to get your tickets now. It's already half sold out. If you're watching this on this YouTube video, all you're going to do is click down in the description below. Click on that link to register. Make sure you use the word Kyle, okay? That word Kyle is going to register you, and it's going to make sure that they know that, hey, you're part of the Fearless Investor community, and we want to show up strong. I want 100 of you, at least 100 of you there at this, to be able to mingle with us and to be able to have a great time at the STR Wealth Conference. So get registered now. Do not wait. And make sure that you go in there with the right attitude of making connections, making relationships out of this, and getting the most value that you can. If you have any questions, by the way, about this event, make sure that you just go ahead and comment on this video, or if you got this in an email, you can go ahead and respond to the email. I'm happy to respond. I want to see you there, and I want you to get the most out of it. Now, let's go conquer Airbnb and short-term rentals at the STR Wealth Conference.